Are you tired of wearing the same old clothes every day? It's not like we have a choice, guys. What you're wearing, then look for it. Look! Yeah! 10 past 4 is this. Oh my God! Are you tired of wearing the same old clothes every day for a date? Yeah, power. For lunch, for cricket, everywhere. You're tired of wearing the same old outfits that you bump into every corner. Then look no further, honey, and come to Zulu House Fashion because they have your back. I'm talking international standards, from ladies' dresses to gents' formal wear, and with our commitment to quality and affordability, you don't have to break the bank, to get something expensive. You actually have to a little bit, but it's worth it. Trust me, take it from me. You don't really have to break the bank to look your best. So visit us online at Zulu Fashion House or at Imbali Mall, shop number 10, Bulawayo, Zimbabwe today, and start turning heads with your stunning new look. I need to do another take.
Hey!
Now I know what I want to say. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
but
Now
don't twist. It's Zulu Fashion House. Sometimes you get nervous and say Zulu House Fashion, but it's fine.
Or Zulu Fashion.
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls, welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here Lana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
That don't put the pot. That don't make the pot.
Okay. Maybe I think I fall like sober.
okay.
But still, never double kind of just in my vibe, not like drunk. No one who propose he drunk.
But I didn't like personally,
I am grateful because I need to be the only person who drank the whole podcast.
No, I'm Zam. When I was Zam, I say, for my one episode. For my one episode, Chama short.
No, condition go with the birthday apple. You would take it a gift or see another podcast.
Not taking a gift to
But
this guy's gay.
episode.
Where's some clean? Hey, I'm the alternative. Either drink with me on my birthday on the podcast or buy me something I want. What keeping cool money is a man?
I keep busy Zoom.
What do you want to say?
I'm the sour.
Nine.
I'm from Pruvili Point.
What's
What's in your point? You think it up on the
Wow.
It's a more
I go to pay a long line.
It's sweet.
Hey, like my came in. I go to
Like one deep.
hey.
Pressing Mike and not pressing.
Anyway, I go to good I'm
sure they used to be peachy.
I go to good I'm a petty. Longest they so many things. I'm option.
Nah.
I mean, I have big option.
Yeah, an option.
Nifuna, my favorite vodka.
No. Does he buy it for you or does he drink it with you?
Drink it with me.
Exactly.
So when I'm waiting, I didn't know.
No problem. No problem.
Hey, Malin.
Hi.
Out of curiosity.
It's not expensive.
I probably
Under $100.
Velo ngamthe ipremene le ngamtshela uzayithenga akafuni kunatha umfana lo. Excuse me.
Hey, Malin.
It's probably maybe 40 or 35.
Episode
Wait,
1.
it's
35.
I think it's 20, yeah.
Sky is actually
Oh,
20.
that was a Chinese one.
Sarok is 40, 45.
Hey.
40,
Together,
45.
great, yeah.
Abantu bazaqalisa ukumisinterprete ezinye izinto.
Sky.
Yeah,
But Sky is my
that one's
first
This one is
choice.
crazy. The blue one, you.
That's the one
Yeah.
this year I think I've taken more than.
So, ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen.
boys and girls.
Boys and girls. Last episode supposed to be Chinese.
Yeah, you can say I see that.
Let's just get this out the way.
Before Scalise go, man. Yeah.
Let's just get this out the way.
Episode, how much?
Say 9.
79.
79.
Yeah.
79.
79.
70.
70.
What? 72?
Okay, this is what that person says. This is what I'm saying. Come now, your cousin in Tanzania show them was in this in the very good podcast. Good on a waiting. Waiting.
Like, so what's that?
No, that's either you need over there or over
What
there.
is
Waiting.
Jack passport.
So, I'm just the co-host.
Yes, sir.
Yo. This is Kateri Ngamangunda podcast.
This
This is Kateri
Dragon Ball Z.
I'm a Dragon Ball Z. Such as
is bad,
See, yes, eat away, hungry, Jack. Like, see, spice it up, man. Let's keep on.
I'm happy.
We're happy.
I got the way to win.
You are here now.
Yeah. But it's feel with the logic. I remember the episode.
I'm saying you move it. Yes, that is very good. Be told.
Hey.
By now.
Yeah,
And every time I see this nigga, this part over here.
This what? What is this what?
This part over here.
God damn it. That's bad. I put the mobile bill right now. I know where you're right.
Well, there was a creature child.
Yes,
There's a creature's child.
you know I'm shy. I want to teach him to be
There was- I didn't know we para if I'm Zinwele.
You know what? I went to a funeral, yeah? There was this guy. I'm not wearing my saying go or whatever. Why would she support his pump on me?
Yeah, I shy about drugs. I was only wrong. Oh, we need to cast because we don't make things so good.
Whatever.
Utha we cast. Oh, I could even first name say cast. Emma is no matter what. So why you feeling my team? I don't know.
Guys, Suganine cats going up.
Hey, this is a cast. See what I'm saying?
You.
That's me, not me speaking like I don't speak.
Yes.
Yeah, it's true. So it's good. But he was going to say
Now
cast.
now
Me no, I'm trying to cut.
when I saw Peru, we are flat. Which one? Only tattoo. What the heck is it?
But when I feel like a channel, will episode is a sweet as two. Like Joe to bus niggy venues or Jenny's Zulu Fashion House. Just niggy venue, I know.
You want to know what?
When I'm going to see two. So, see, how much is teaching up and then press about. Say, press the coach about Yenskali Kuluma. Ah, what each other.
Are you one now? Oh my god.
That was premium content.
Do it.
Oh, so now you had no one at the back.
Hey,
Check.
which a check.
Check. That's last. That's last time. Searching. Anyway, continue.
So, my episode did you reshoot or Oh my god.
Repeat
And
it.
I'm fine.
Hey,
It doesn't
we have to
snap.
recap.
I'm fine.
Yeah,
The
that's
second
the
round
kid
they
now,
find
so
the first one.
Yeah, that was.
Yeah, we'll get to that later.
Yeah, that was before we had this amazing technical team that we work with.
I'm a mic. I ain't my props. Like, that's
Yeah, the episode.
that's the recorder like
When
me.
the episode, I want to team my kid up. Is a combo.
Which ain't man just know I coach with it. Mila sebenzisa imali.
Ehe.
Lokho esenje.
Ngiyayazi emsebenzitoyo. Ngoba la ngabona ukuthi
Yabona
Awa, I don't speak like that.
hayi umzekeliso.
Oh.
But yeah.
ngiyayazi episode yakho wena ngoba nami
Ngeke singaqali.
ngathi kuyimic lapha ngalo.
Yebo. So sasirecorda njalo ama mic so bambe kodwa sirecorda ngefoni.
Look how far we've come.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming to you live.
Yawo appreciate nje.
Oh, babu, you point.
Ngicina
Why
ngikhala.
is this popular?
Bengiyekela cricket. Cricket ijayitha guys.
I saw a tweet that was saying a honey who acts like she's interested. So say what?
I don't know.
Come as a meet.
Hayi lokho
Why we read when we move on?
nje uthi kisibe mnandi.
Yeah.
Kana ngiredi umfana kulani.
Vele ilibhomu mfana wena ngibe nengiso. Mawasi nengiso isinye.
Je ngithathile
Why
ibhomu yakho
am I
ngitshela
one
amasiko.
inkulu kule yini?
Je ngithathile ukuze ngithathe ilibhomu yakho ngitshela amasiko. Awusayifuni sweet.
Ichi.
Anyways, ubusithi ubona i-tweet enjani?
I got to see a honey who acts like she's interested in cricket. Is doing that for male attention.
Umfana masibo anyone.
Ebora.
Man City. Amankazana post Man City.
Hayi.
Disgusting.
Nalemzeka wes.
Ufuna ucansi wena, ufuna ucansi.
Asikuntinyo wazi
Ubhale Man City fan.
Man City. Ungazibona upost uHaaland.
Mm.
Upost Man City. Upost cricket.
You are gay.
That's always me.
Ufuna isexy wena iproblem yakho.
Awu.
Uzamungena abafana, uzamungena ama sports.
7 posts.
Yeah.
Akona chero oyi-1. Oyi-1. This is state.
Amanjani namuhla? Ayithakthayo bro.
Yeah.
What's happening?
This is
Statistically proven.
La ngeke kuba lo submissive last week.
Bakuhlekile
Man,
manje.
and the whole thing. Hey, but anyway. Mina ngibona ukuthi Jane wayini. Anyways, kubeka bro.
Wasithi yajuta umkhumelo uThaphizi Ntombane.
La uthi wambambisa.
Fana kuba same time. Cause in my mind I was like, crying after ukuzibale. Ngabona ibale lingaka.
Anti,
Ungazibona ungumfazi. Upost ibhola. Especially upost ngesikhathi sokule team ewinileyo.
Yeah.
Abona bhathi. Kufana ngathi abapost cricket. Abapost cricket. Ngoba nezi cricket la.
I mean, I'm
Wena udiscover
not
la.
even going to lie.
Mina ngiyazi.
And I saw people saying if you don't understand cricket, you're not intelligent.
I feel like
I'm going to have a poster.
like
Titi
that.
yabo.
Can I understand because
Yeah, understand.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, understand the other titi yabo.
Let's
Ngoba
go
nasi
to the shower.
yazi house.
How's it?
Nasi yazi house.
Lokho isenzo ndothi awuzi. Hayi,
Kanti Man City.
ngiyabona kwizini. Maybe ngixe ukuthi mina
Yabo bolonga.
besibukele live. Uwawuze besingamuzi.
Awumchayi house.
How's
Hey house. Ifana uhure, ifana ukopona ebisi.
Eh.
House. Aso house.
Oh yeah. I feel like cricket
It's cricket.
cricket.
Yeah.
Yeah, cricket. Bekunecessary ukuthi isihambe especially eZimbabwe ndindlela esidibeka ngayo. For the first time.
When I don't
Sile
Sorry.
yeah. Mina lo breeze.
Sorry.
Lapha ungincedile mfana.
Right.
So like eZimbabwe kule
Akele sizimakhaje. Sisani mayikhasi silo.
Get goalies. Get
For the
goalies.
first time eZimbabwe kule nto eyenzakalayo.
Engino class.
Ungahamba futhi uthi you are proud in Zimbabwe ngenxa into yakhona iqeda kwenzakala.
Which is true, man. Now, Zimbabwe schools got 2 points. I think we're the only African countries battery toilet. Never see a battery toilet. Let me tell you something. The only other countries who have battery toilet. La, Zimbabwe battery toilet.
I know I'm check, bro. Sorry. 1-0.
Can I proceed to make my point?
Yeah, I'll
Yes,
proceed to
you
make
can.
the point.
Come on, that. So you can okay.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't want to take it, but I will check. The only other place is dog or battery toilet. Like Mose say, you routed Hamba Zimbabwe.
Because
Yeah.
nobody business.
I-route ehamba amaZimbabwe like from eBhayibhridge all the way to eJoburg. Ngiyakutshela. Do you know even eBotswana? The only other place obhadalele khona i-toilet is the route ohamba khona amaZimbabwe. Thina si-cursed so much.
Root.
We must pay for sanitation, guys. Route.
I was telling you.
This is
I'm an English teacher part time, so.
i-route, alright, i-route, ngithi route.
Kono.
Can you route us on internet?
Nah, I think American is
I-route
route.
or router?
You.
No.
What can you say?
British English, it's root. American is route.
Route, yeah.
Yeah, so-
Come here,
I
bro.
come from a British colony.
Yeah.
So anyway,
I'm a toilet up at the lane.
ilizwe today.
This shit.
I understand what you're saying. Would you we enjoy something classy in cricket?
Yeah.
Because I was battling with
I feel like in national team, ingenze ngakhohlwa ama-draw webhoso la.
And they won, yeah?
Yeah.
By the time this comes out,
Tebe sesihlalele Sri Lanka.
the Sri Lanka on Sunday.
Yeah.
So this might be, so the specific match you're talking about, yeah?
Oman versus Zimbabwe.
I didn't do all my countries in the was it was chicken.
What the fuck is Oman, bro? Inga.
It's an app.
Middle East.
I think
It's an
rich
app.
for them, bro.
Arab. I said Arab.
Oh, I thought you were saying it's an app. Really, it's
It will make it east. But mina nomunye umborama embone ngani uzakuchaphula. But I feel like into le
Pull away.
yabona izinto ezilawalungu phakathi. Izinto ezilawalungu
Yeah.
phakathi.
Yeah.
Kuba le order ewakhona kuba le mpumelelo khona.
Obviously.
Yeah.
I'm inclined to agree. Nyasu Dr. Uma ngale sefuna ukuvuza umsindo, but
ibhozo nga ile striker esilikhiwe. Ngayi
Silokhotsho likhiwe uyenzwa nje ngenyawo zakhe zombola. La kudala uzibona usithini. Lalela. Yazi ipoint ethi ukuthi lapho lamakhiya kule order. Kufanele le example yokuthi siyisizini la. Umgcini esitshontshe imali sonke. And then
This is
bese
highly
singaba preach ukuthi
possible.
hayi lapho kulomgcini khona kule mali. I mean, if you stole all the money, obviously. So the problem we have is, for the last 400 plus years, Amakiwa took control of all the resources and all the means of production. That's why it's easy for it to look like where all white people are really old. Currently, I'm not going to deny that.
but Breezy, like even it doesn't minute, bro. Like ungakhuluma lekhiyo tasilanga nemotel. Motel leyo sikhona. Yo nigga, we're always doing shitty things.
All right.
You consider even anything as minute. I'm not saying like this is a sweeping statement or something, but
He has a point.
He's a smart guy, this guy. I don't know what he's doing on this podcast. He doesn't do it.
but yeah, more times I'm like you're shit. It's
Lalela, I'm saying Anyality in the current state of things. All I'm saying is the reason we order is because they spent over 400 to 500 years
with everything.
When
Yeah.
do you think money is intelligence? Do you think it equates to that? Because
No.
I have seen. Okay, do not take this the wrong way.
Anything I know chai blowjob kodwa chai blowjob.
Oh, wow! What wrong?
Sure.
I want to say intro too.
But anyway.
Yeah, engane usuyishonile.
Okay, I have met people who have access to amazing funds. I don't want to say rich niggas because it's gonna make me sound like But then, class and intelligence, it can't be bought. You can never.
So utamakhiwa le class.
Once again,
You can
can I
never
say
No,
this?
bad
it
taste.
has everything to do with the environment. If you're surrounded by people, I tell you, me and me surrounded.
Was it Bruce Tetis?
No, I actually wanted to say a nice thing. We always do. No, I am surrounded by nice people. Abale Mondo,
Yeah.
who don't feed off clout. That's why you guys are able to keep it classy.
Ay.
When you're No, but the thing is, do you think you can just bring anybody into this place?
Nah.
It might like
Mike.
It's you.
Mike.
You think you can bring anybody here and let them get on the platform?
Okay.
You can't, because there's some things you cannot buy or teach.
Okay.
So if you're surrounded by people who are financially intelligent, not only financially stable, but if they get money, they know what to do. When I'm 20 money, can't be. I'm not doing that, right? But if you're surrounded by people who are financially intelligent, you're bound to make financially intelligent decisions.
Smarter decisions. That is true.
Yeah.
Really, I cannot argue with that. Yeah, wanna.
Since it's very good point, I'm with reason why I'm a chef. I'm a kid.
I'm gonna try to speak as quickly as possible so that it doesn't take as much time.
No, but the podcast, very often I share my 3 hours, so.
C'est not confusing.
boy.
Yes. C'est not confusing. Intelligence is being smart. Those are two different things. Intelligence is the ability to gather and retain information.
Grasp. Okay.
Just a group of information. That's why FBI is Federal Bureau of Intelligence. So intelligence is research, information gathered together. And then, lalela, being smart is being born with the ability to grasp concepts. Those are two different things. So you can actually, but you be smart in ability. Okay. If someone presents anything to you, you can figure it out.
Yeah.
And then intelligence is someone who might not even be that smart, but has been around enough information to know information. For example, Nati, do you know who the president of Burma is? Oman. Do you know the president of Oman? So now, does that mean you are dull or you've just never been presented with information? Yeah, but I'm dull. You've just never come across that information.
Yeah.
So what happens with white people is because of their position, they've had access to a lot of information that a lot of black people do not have. Especially information that pertains land, economy, finances. So it's easy for Umkiwa to look smarter than you because they just have been privy to better information.
Sport in each one.
Into cricket, into land. When I what does it take to buy a farm? It doesn't mean I'm stupid, dog. I've just never come across that information. But a white boy saw that information on his dad's table early 10 years. So he knows that information. So it's easy for you to think, but white people are more financially, smarter than us. No. It's just being around that information. That's all it is.
But I know, team for the first time, being going to catch and try catch.
Not over the cafe.
I'm going to
go. Is this not Puma?
No one was done. Exactly, when was done. When I was done, no one was and there was one you brought it up. So explain.
But even that, catch like really catching I feel like then I catch of the century. Yeah. So I'm taking cricket.
Not even decade.
Century. I'm taking cricket to deep but I'm really catch uphakathi like where ground.
Ubuwazi before today.
Ukuthi lokhu ngichasisele lokho. Ngiyazi ngiqamba manga.
Yabo awuthi ukuthi udala.
Ngikudala.
Ungazoku explain.
So umthetho wecricket uthi ibhola uyikhetha mawuphakathi. So into yenzekile uOman nomunye la uthi wayishaka qongo so. Selingathi liyaphuma laba udaki. Wabethela lathi selinganise liphandle ngathi selinganise lizafika phandle udaka wetha iyeqa waphuma phandle so walithi level ichali ngena phakathi
really inscared
wabetha iyeqa futhi phakathi walithi iyazisahla
yaphuma
yazi
uyaphuma bengenza njalo
ndoda yabo intelligence yena leyo like in as much as city of course bekula makhiyo but intelligence team Indiana bro alokana bekusharp lokuyama
but usually vele thina ama teams at Africa they don't suffer from lack of talent it's just maladmin that fucks
Yeah,
up.
but
Remember
Facilities
leziyana
and
ezake
men,
zasuka
yeah.
lapha ezingibekeze rap zofika zalala phandle. Thola kathi ihotela engakliwa.
Ngiyeza lapha.
Bro, zofika zalala ku lobby. Imagine. Catch me in the lobby. Like it wasn't even
But
like
bongalandebeli yazi. Etimini yakati bothulana lidlala cricket. Ngoba umopha manje. Omqo.
Kanti bomqoli dlala cricket.
Omqo labo mncedisi.
Amanje dlala umamaka.
Bebekho
ngithi uqala i-team lena yokuqala and izimiyeke bale golden team lena.
ya karezi bekule yabo garawa.
Yabo olonga
Gogowe.
labo tayipo. Kanti but futhi even abantu abanye besesilabo izibongo bantu lezo olonga lo tayipo.
Hawu olonga lona inganulo butonga mbijani. Ungacheka even ile lokuzini. That's why ungacheka isibili even ile.
Kanti olonga isiwahlabela national anthem.
Wahlabela ingoma liyane nene. In this land down is a Zimbabwe. That one, yeah. You know that one? Yeah, that's the one.
Then I go for dinner.
Look at lahamba lahlabela ikhe.
Hayi ingoma lena bayibhana be.
Bayibhana.
Bayibhana.
Umgcina manga nje.
Bafethu. Umember lo gogule no into enzakala like kukhona sibili ku history sibili ezim. Angazi babe protester against into esenzakala la.
So that song was in protest.
Bahamba I think babe se Australia besiyadlala imatch. Lapha bafika ba protester khona ngezinto ezazisenzakala la. And izinto zankhona zazisenzwa ngabantu abatop. Kwahle kwazwakala vele ukuthi umember nxa iphenduka la
engasafiki.
Vele bayam bopha wahle wahlala khona ngale.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't
So
know
for
this.
some time ingoma lena vele ibingaplayiwa kulokuzini kuma
That
radio
makes
station.
sense, dog.
Yeah.
Because I felt like it was such a patriotic song.
Yeah.
You should have played a lot.
But yeah, cricket manyama.
Ma cricket manyama.
Ma cricket manyama.
Nice, siyahamba Sandy. I'm sure by the time this comes out,
Ikona ime mbonelo.
Siyahamba.
Yeah, but I'm going on Sunday.
We are going. Katwa sithi angathi
Because nabe mbuzeni personally.
Yes, he had asked me.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, we're pulling up on Sunday. The whole fam will be there. At least the episode lays up afterwards.
Because
you know,
Tuesday
Twitter fame.
all of us
Twitter fame.
Can we Tuesday?
Yeah, last game I think in Tuesday.
I'm unemployed, but I don't think I can make Tuesday, guys.
What? It's not like you have any.
I'm unemployed, but I have self-respect.
So watch cricket on the Tuesday. So thini ngathi sihambe.
Don't know about ibhuku or something.
So thini ngathi sihambe
Hey,
ngeThursday.
man, I said what I said. I said what I said. I Thursday,
But
right? Thursday is pre-empty weekend.
Yeah, but
Bekula bantwana kodwa.
ya abantwana baye bekhona.
Bebe bahle.
Namhla.
Feeling a crust then.
Okay, between cricket and APF wena nabantwana.
How
How much obvious wena?
Obvious.
This one is obvious.
Lami ngahambanga ngiyahle obvious.
I've
this
never
one
been
is
to
obvious,
BF my
man.
whole life.
Serious?
Yeah.
Guys, let's change the mission. Sunday.
Actually, sesitshintshile kuzenini. Ibrand yePF. Ibrand yePF sitshintshile ubuye check.
Yeah, so kula
Check,
manika.
so right. Check kula manika.
Mazwana.
Nah.
so
Okay,
remember-
wait.
Just remember they
What
call
is
it
that supposed
Jurek.
to mean?
Just
What
remember
do
they
you
call it
guys mean
Jurek.
when
So
you
kula
say-
bo yo
You say,
motherfucker
I've never
bitch.
been to BF and you guys say Sokula Manika. What are you saying?
So kula bo yo
Say
yo
Manika.
maniga manyama. Yo motherfucker bitch.
So mnantanda Manika.
Aye.
Somebody remember
No,
your
but
teacher
I
is
take it
Jurek.
as a
Yo, pass the
compliment.
ball, man.
Pass
Yo.
the ball, man. But imagine.
Sitang.
Iko wena khona ukuthi
Sharp, akusasa.
odaki disingama comedian. And kulo member ngazi
No, but
bekuthiwa
I'll take it as
kumbe
a compliment.
bekuthiwa
Because
Evans
I said.
odlalela i-cricket team. So andazi i-cricket yakwanisa uyakuma duze lama-fans lapha. Milele ukuthi ibhora.
Libuye.
Evans. Evans. Do tell us. Show man.
I remember saying clown.
Show man. At some point. Enguraza lena nje umuntu udlala userious kuyela uraza like one of the players bezim
Uyengane Poppy
captain yeah all round uraza umile lapha na phela umelele ukuthi Raza we wanna party.
That time Raza was trying to focus.
That time bro uzama ukufocus brand yabantu futhi sokulama frustrations amaningi yebo because bese uyilahla like by win enzini game leya.
Odaki vela kona nto one lithatha serious. La lisenza ama meme submarine lapha abantu befile.
Bro
Wena wayenza. Wena wayenza.
Hayi babeyenza manje.
But no, welcome to the show. Yina tisenzakala.
Manyala wonke la.
Yeah, ingxoxo nene.
Baba Mbuputas.
So previous episode.
KB, you said we said you as a he. I don't know if that makes sense. Obviously, you don't identify as what. So are you also pregnant? And unavailable is
Just give people context. Start doing it.
You don't know what I identify as.
Okay.
Into le ikhulunywe off cam.
Okay.
Wena sulethi kuwa.
Sorry.
Walilethela.
Roast la.
So njengoba vele selivele lahle lafika ikuwa. Asilitshela abantu.
I'm sorry.
What happened?
I identify.
Abantu bazaqasa ukusithethisa manje ukuthi thina siyasense izinto. So ngcono ukukhuluma.
Alokuvela sokusenze.
Hayi, mina ngithe he uKP wazi njani ukuthi mina ngizibiza.
Avele ukukhuluma enye into. I'm sure ukusiye egangeni.
It doesn't matter what I say.
If I say something
Shut
like
up.
that.
It doesn't matter what I want to say.
Nte, you just don't know what I identify as.
Yeah.
I identify as a company. Because I don't have private parts.
The fuck?
I don't have
You don't
emotions.
have private parts.
But isinkosi lesibunu.
Yeah.
Actually, as too. Unlike abanye.
Very bulele but
Bands.
Ovele wathi.
lapha libulele lapha.
Left.
Oh bendineThemba.
So the bakers in must
Obviously,
the bakers in must identify as a woman.
Because
Ilezibune eziyi-2. That sounds like an advert.
then iwodwa
Bakers in silezibune eziyi-2.
Two.
esingapha lesingapha.
Ngafana.
Ngama.
Advert. Wena ke busy the freshest.
By the way, this is not a paid ad.
Hey.
Silamapato. Or ilo bills or proton whoever wants to pay us to
Yeah.
be on an advert city.
Sikhulume ngezibunu zakho.
Spagile. Proton. Spagile.
Spagile. Proton.
Proton,
Baba-
sipagile.
But ilo bills, I think yele sibunu. Sibunu like.
Lese Lopez go.
Ese Lopez go-
It's any variant in English, proton.
Ese Lopez go
Eh,
PPL guys.
Kulabantu abangadli sibunu sesinkwa ngazwayo.
Ngabantu
Uzokuthiwa
bani
mina
bona
ngidli lokho.
Abakhula ngabedubeka. You see? This is the honest.
Even at my
Eh,
house,
ngomuntu
if you
wakho-
find a loaf of bread, you find amakrust.
Yike khuluma ngesikhiwa. Yike khuluma ngesikhiwa.
Ziphakathi.
Yeah. Mfana isibunu yakwazi thina
Mina
lapho
akhula
esivela khona.
ngibanga isibunu mina.
Lapho esikhule khona yazi isibunu lesiya. Ubusigijimela
Because when
kuqala.
it's 3 slices phela then it's more bread.
It's special.
Look at you two Adam.
Ndoda, isibunu lesiyana vele besiphiwa umuntu omdala.
Nezibunu ngiyazithanda vele ngoba uzi girlfriend yami.
Special ese Lopez go.
Ese Lopez.
2 or 3 slices.
Ese lo bills lesiya.
Ngicela unga asikhulume isinkwa.
Isibunu like lesiyana besi yakhanya ukuthi ukhule esidla kahle.
Uyakhanya vele uJane.
Anti kuyinjalo.
Yeah, ngoba thina check it thina ibooty. Trying to
Booty
eat some
bread.
ass.
Wena.
And talking about eating some ass, ngifuna ukuthi uDavido ubhudas uDavido bambhaqile. Kuthiwa umithi ise 2.
I wanted to ask you if you're
3, lo
pregnant
mfazi
and
wakhe?
he's the father. That's what I want.
Shut
Usukhuluma
the F up wena.
Before ukhuluma ngilokhu zenini ngebhuri what like ukhulume ngani? Kulento ukhuluma ngomlomo. Kule tweet engiyibonileyo. Kade sithi mana ngizithulele mina lo mlomo omongaza ukukhotha into zabantu.
Hayi, lokho ukubona kimi.
Angibona
Can you
ku.
say that? Can you say that confidently?
Yeah.
Lina lithini?
Mina.
Why?
No, let's take a consensus.
All right. Mina ngomlomo omongaza ukukhotha into yomuntu ku podcast le ngithi namuhla mina. Welcome to the show.
Hey. Lina lithi ama private alo coach la.
Mbani ongaqhama kathi ugcina wangikhotha. Ngabuye ke kuma comments.
Hi, guys.
Washohleka wena guilty.
I'm just picturing a scenario where
Athi ngigcina wangikhotha.
Uyakwatula umlomo seya.
Athutshe kuma comments nge. J.
Ngitshele mathens.
Mina ningambuza umzuzu.
Ngithe asithathe ni consensus anje support la.
Yeah.
Umgcini uthi yena.
But jekaza abazali wethu but ngamtshela ngathi nxa kulo rasta skip. So
Never
aqhubeka.
ever. Nasebona enough to know.
Gcina udla sushi.
When
Isushi.
Yeah.
Phela futhi le ndevu zakhona lezi zili tingling sensation.
Oziyana ezela.
I was
So they I was about to say so they say.
Oh.
Hayi ndevu zakho lezi never underestimate a man with a mustache.
allegedly.
Oh.
I said
Can I talk with me? Guys, man, I'll just say this because Uncle Camera, I'm not shy. Go down on each other, guys.
It's true.
Fine.
Hey,
Just
these
go
are
down.
easy.
Khotana nini.
Yeah.
Izitho.
Kotayo.
Izitho zendlini encane.
Yeah.
Izitho
Yakwazi izivuno ziphumani.
Yeah, it's true.
Hi, no,
but
I
it-
didn't
but
say
it's fine.
eat ass, bro. I didn't say eat ass.
Yeah, I'll eat ass lava no jump in.
I respectfully
Thina stay
disagree.
sitho. Sase ngadini yase ideni. Lesiyana. Anditika.
Anyways,
Andika.
before ngikhuluma into
Sesiku-sister la.
Mina. Ngisalithi comedy cheater. Kennedy ngiyadlala.
Uyakwazi noma ukhuluma something even fucked up that time. Oh, dagi. Lord, ichekile idakwa fanile.
Hayi, sikabonjalo.
Wow, dagiwe. And you said it about one of your friends. And every time I meet her now,
What if
I'm
my
like,
friends did what? Guys, you can't air this.
okay, that's it.
Uh,
Ngizakutshela off camera.
siyakhuluma.
But okhuluma sasikhangele like face to face. It was just a bunch of us. And then you said something.
What did I say?
Ngathi
Anyways, ufuna ukuba kwazi, usho?
Antuzakhipha manje.
Hayi, asuke skip lo.
skip. Sasise
Inkolo kena kwantshela khona.
hayi ngokwesi2 wakhuluma lezi 2 ezi fucked up same day. Lokhana ngeke ukukhuluma.
Alokena kuyenza oqala.
But okwesi2 I think we were just like a bunch of us standing ngong December I think last year. I'm saying, lo. Uyabulala ngeblow job lo.
Oh no, that's that's a known joke.
Oh, liqiniso.
That's a known job.
It's a known joke.
a known
She
joke.
even says it.
Job
openly.
cut ibhalwe
Mbani
She
nalo?
said,
Umngani wakhe bro.
You want
And
me
it's
to
crazy
never
because every time I see this chick I'm like, hey, skip her.
no, she knows. She even says it herself. Because there's someone actually told her about it.
So we throw
Uthi ngumkhothi we.
Hata literal gwak 3000.
Wathi inkunzi ye what.
Ngumkhothi we lokuzeni.
It's a known joke. Akusho ukuthi
Ubukhuluma ngoDavido bro before ngikukhatha lapha.
Oh, Davido bambambile.
Bambambe
I don't
feba.
know. Mina ukuthi my
Amacheri I3
2. Is he married?
Yeah.
Ngumfazi wakhe.
Umfazi.
No, he doesn't look married.
What is doesn't look married? Ungakhipha impahla utha. Ipipi leyichekile wena uthathayo.
What you have to check his Instagram. Does it look like we're married? What
Ah,
do
well.
married
But
people look like?
he's married, is he not? Or like
He's
he's
married bro.
He's married. Yeah?
Karasuo like wafela ngumntwana like.
Why a proposal?
I know that song because I was about to say didn't he do a song?
Insurance, he was proposing.
Okay. Kwase?
Washata.
Sefebile.
So here's the question. Lina lithini ngokuthi kuthiwa amadoda lemali avunyezwe kufeba yini? Because uloku uzubhale ku Twitter. This fucking guy that I don't agree with and it's probably the one and last time I'm going to quote him. I'm not going to say his name. This guy said,
That's not S.
Nah, don't say
it's that fucker.
Ni boyfriend
You
ka
don't
Jane.
like him.
No, I don't. No, I'm not going to say I don't like him, but I don't agree with most of the stuff he says.
No, but you don't like him. Be honest.
No.
If you don't, then you're in my.
Can I now explain?
Nobake nimkhothise Jane.
Niwake nisikhothi.
I know when you
If you don't agree,
Ye
then
rana
there's
mhlu
no
18 siyamfaka sibila bese senza.
Ngani uthe yena the problem we have is in current society says a man doesn't have value mangela mali.
Ya nansi Twitter ngikhona yakwanisa uyibhala.
Davido making the headlines for cheating. Boom. How is that even news? A society that has made men to be useless without money wants them to be faithful when they are rich. It can't. The society that teaches a man that he doesn't deserve a woman for being broke has no business telling him to keep only one woman when he becomes rich.
I think his point is invalid.
Even though Andrew Tate said that.
I'm
Because-
listening. Kulum.
I'm saying Andrew Tate said that as well.
Davido was born into money. So,
Okay, maybe Davido is the wrong example for this. But the idea becomes generally in society, umuntu ongela mali
umuntu
sithi.
angaba le mali
Hayi.
kumele avunyezwe ukufeba. Yinto ayishoyo.
Into ethu.
Kuvelele kuthini Jane ma umuntu engalamali ungathi awula reason yokujola ungalamali anti isi statement
Bathi vele ini
Lithini liyethola into engela mali.
Indoda must.
indoda must
Indoda must.
Yeah.
Hayi.
Thola
So,
reason yokujola mangala mali.
Ngayisekwanisa ukumaster kwakhona, then you must master
One at a
everywhere.
time, guys. One at a time, one at a time.
Lina yekelana ukujola labantu abajolela indlala, but anyway.
Indlela yiphi?
Indlala.
Indlela yani.
Indlela yani?
Ukuthi umuntu ngikhipo.
Eyokudla. Oyesibunu lenesinto.
Hayi, indlala nje. Indlala is very important.
Yeah.
A person can be hungry for food. A person can be hungry for success. But
Are you saying-
because
Yeah.
some ladies resort to marriage so that they escape
Oh, for
poverty
financial.
and
Okay, I
then-
understand.
Yeah. So uyasila ngesibunu, uyasila ngevele, friends, whatever. But ikhanda tabula rasa. Totally empty. But
Jane.
anybody can get money. Imali yabuya iphele, yabo?
Okay, but continue.
Because kulabantu abaningi esibaziyo bethola imali iphela sibhekile, and then now they get humble again.
But the question is, Mali Lapana, was he allowed to have
cheat?
a lot of girls?
Hi, if you have money, then do not entertain monogamy.
So we have not confused.
Do
No,
not
I think
entertain-
I would
do
show
not
a nasty win.
entertain commitment, actually.
Oh, when you
Yeah.
have money.
Oh.
When you are first tasting success.
Ubunandi bemali.
When you are first
Okay.
tasting is success. But it gets tricky. Let's say maybe
Also, there's- Oh, okay.
pants laba successful lonke.
Utesta nini?
Usemplanini.
But then if you
Okay, so there's nuances to it, but generally across the board.
But yeah, I get your point. As a point yakhe ngiyokuthini? Ngiyokuthi nxosule mali. I've actually even remember ngela mali eningi. Ukuthi iyakhuluma ukuthi karesi mina I'm at a point in my life where I can't commit.
Yeah.
And uhlabe open
Ezomjola
approach
ngizifuna.
amankazana. Amfuna ujola. Can do
Ngiyazikholisela.
whatever we do.
Ehhe.
Ngiyakuthenga ngiyakhamisa diamond hawk senza lokho lalokho. But amfuna ukuthi wena ufaka i-title ukuthi thwa.
So siyavumelana ukuthi njengendoda ungaba le mali evumayo.
But
Do your
bona
thing.
manje ababhayiza khona abantu abanjengo Davido ukuthi yena uza propose achade anika umntana abantu impression yokuthi sefuna ukusettle down. And then
Okay, but see, I hear what you're saying. But when ukhuluma umuntu le mali 1 month, usile mali from now until forever. Uzaqala uyenze khona, uyenze. Then at some point you settle down. When that point comes, are you just going to settle down, or are you going to be allowed to, okay, sing the main event la, but every now and then,
I have a question.
Okay.
As a man, say ubungela lutho, then you are pop. And you know these bitches that you couldn't bag when you had nothing.
I now
They're
back
now
up.
with you.
Beyonce
You
sithi
can
awufake
fuck anybody
Kbrizzy
you
wenzana
want.
namuhla.
Beyonce is too.
Singadeleli uJay-Z. Ungadeleli uHova mntana.
Jane was like,
honeys who are fit. Oh, honeys who
Jane basically, Jane betown.
tech.
No, I'm saying you're unbaggable. What are you saying? Okay,
What? Thank
hey,
you.
come on, guy.
Thank you.
Focus.
Gracias, muchas gracias.
Focus.
Let's say when you were begging honeys who were very ama-pumps.
Imswahla.
Yeah, imswahla.
Tama palms.
And then
Yo,
I am
niggas.
chongo njalo.
With
And
my
then
palms.
when you got money, bitches who wouldn't even look your way, they are now coming to you. Is it not equivalent to umfazi ofake indoda umuthi ukuthi amthande akakuthandi out of your own will? It's because umfosile. Lawe when your money is putting that girl under pressure ukuthi
Hey.
That is a crazy statement
but
to say.
why before? So don't you think that's kind of sick?
I hear what you're saying, but are
Shame
you
the
saying
clout
now
that you're getting.
imali to abafazi equivalent to umuthi? Ngumuthi.
Yeah, abakwanisa ukuyi-resist.
So to abafazi imali ngumuthi.
No, I gave the wrong example.
Yeah, but I hear with you.
That's a topic for another day. But
Yeah.
what I'm saying, isn't that sick? Like to brag about bagging honeys who wouldn't even look your way without that money.
But that's the game.
But wenzani alright?
That's the game.
Masebebuyile.
Because the idea is,
Uyayala.
listen.
Aye, ukudla uyadla. Ukudla uyadla because more ulambile. Uvela ulambile
Hey, but the idea
your
is,
whole life.
I saw the game and I played the game. Fun. Do you know it's the same thing with, I couldn't afford a Lamborghini because I didn't have the money. and then I worked hard. I got the money, and then I afforded it. It's the same thing with our cherry.
So umfazi,
So lena
Yes.
lithi abafazi bale price tag.
Offers were the price tag.
Damn. Huh? Wale price tag mama.
yeah.
Abafa.
Imarine. Imarine.
Afa.
But
There's a
I-
certain
Imali
amount of
lesihle
money that you can get to.
Ngiyazala,
I see what you need to lie, but
Ngiyazala.
ubeli
Hayi,
But there's a
ngiyazala,
certain
mina,
amount
I
of money you
saw-
can get
I saw
to.
price tag, but then I'm
But
pretty
let's
sure
be
I
honest,
qualify
let's be honest.
better price list.
If you're a decent looking man, there's a certain amount of money you can get to where you have access to girls. Are we agree?
Yes.
And then you tell
As even as a girl,
which is fine.
even as a girl.
So it works both ways.
It goes both ways, but it's more for guys because I'm not a toxic feminist. I believe
Oh, but
the
you
niggas
feminist.
should have more money. But when I also as a girl, for example, you want to come and buy something at
Abafazi
Zulu Fashion
abanamali
House
wena.
for your
Uyamazi umfazi welemali.
Alamali la.
Aye, but at least a certain
Hey.
amount of money.
But uleli lo
If she
dodo
wants
kumfazi.
to do
Well, it's
something
true.
for you,
It's true.
the guy can't always be doing
Yeah,
shit
it's
for
true.
you. You also have to do something for the guy.
I misspoke.
And you're only me send your man money for henny and the haircut or whatever. You can't do that if you have $0 as a girl.
Yeah.
And also these days, men of this generation
No,
are
they're
so
with.
different, honey. Like you say you want to date a rich guy on your birthday, he's gonna buy you something expensive on his birthday. What are you gonna do?
Tenga my socks.
Give me
You
the same.
can't go and
No,
give
give
him
me
a
the
whole-
same pussy you gave me last week, boy.
How?
Child
what?
birthday 6. Help
No.
You pussy last week.
You have to
This
meet
is
him
not
up
new, dog.
somehow. But
Ulogo Zenini, Chris Rock once did like a sketch about when you're flying to a vacation with a woman and then she's telling you about this pussy she's gonna give you when you get there.
oh my god.
And it's the same pussy you were fucking at the house.
that you got a few hours ago. You
But
see?
okay, ungumfazi ka David. Situation enje so kwenzakalani? What next?
Davido no two papa. Hey,
Two Papa always say, David Two Papa. Two Papa doesn't fuck
in
around.
different.
No, he
that-
does. He fucks
Two
around.
papas are in two same time. Good Davido.
Yeah, but I think given his
Mina
popularity,
ngingumfazi kaDavido, I would cheat back in silence.
okay. Actually, here's a better question: as a woman, would you rather marry a wildly successful man who takes care of everything, guaranteed to cheat on you, or just a moderate guy?
Successful.
Moderate guy.
Moderate as in.
Imotia for
but
once a
he's
month.
Yeah.
But the kids go to school,
Normal
the
thing.
food is there, just a
Yeah.
normal
able
life.
to-
Impilo
No,
melting.
no.
Chemistry is
It's
there.
never good.
Chemistry is there.
I see both of them in chemistry.
Yeah.
Actually, I'll give. No.
Chemistry,
Yeah, I'll give the
la, la, la,
moderate
la,
guy.
la, la.
The moderate guy is more chemistry.
Yeah.
The moderate guy is more
Because
chemistry.
as ngalamali vele he's
Angamazi
just
as a chemist.
Moderate guy, like chemistry, but ule direction.
No.
So, I saw para like elihleli.
I saw
Yeah.
para.
We afford like
emoticon
in
endlini.
impilo.
Where afford ukungcina.
Yeah, but nothing fancy, no vacation or that. But amagetsi ahlale khona i-DStv bhadaliwe abantwana
I-Wi-Fi
besikolo.
sweet.
La usicalula sitsheki i-Wi-Fi just moderate.
Impilo iyayakheka nayo.
Yeah.
However,
I'd take the moderate.
Akakufebeli.
Akakufebeli.
akakufebezi.
I
Nice.
think the
And then ubhudas yakuse
I
bhayi.
low successful
Ubhudas yawo
kakhulu problem.
ubhudas yakuthathisa ifoto lo-Lewis Hamilton eDubai. uLewis Hamilton evela wini i-Grand Prix.
Amepe nxa sikhulume ngomuntu ubhudas uyahamba abizwe uNicki Minaj azoliperformela ebedroom yena.
But ubhudas uyafeva.
I would take the moderate guy.
Ew.
I'll
Okay.
take the moderate guy.
We'll leave this question out also for the audience. This
Yeah,
game.
I'll
basitshele
take the
kuma
model.
comment.
Wildly successful guy, guaranteed to cheat on you. Or a moderate guy, lihamba
Hey,
Ngiyonda fit.
nge-vits. Yeah. Abantwana bahamba esikolo, nothing too fancy.
Bafunde Petra.
Petra is too fast. It's a Cochrane.
Oh yeah.
No, just an average.
Bafunde fusi
Chudi,
wena.
bro.
Singathe fusi even.
Man, but it's for a family car, bro.
Yeah, but that's moderate. That's a
Vits.
moderate car. What's a moderate car for you?
Vits,
That's a Vits, dog.
Vits inanana dog.
Lina kuyini moderate car for lina?
Ediste ngathi inkulu mbijana.
Qamba belini.
If you know 325, I ngomi to class.
I-BMW. Jane, ufuna ukufebela or ufuna ungafebela?
Hi.
All right, 325. Moderate lifestyle.
325 moderate. Take it.
Hey man, the fact that you have to think about it is enough to show the. Listen, no one is
Well,
mad
now,
at,
would you take an ugly bitch
with money
with a lot of direction,
or a hot girl
or a hot girl
with no direction,
Aye, with
moderate direction.
moderate.
Okay, in that scenario, because I'm a guy, I still have the means to make money for myself. Are you saying in that scenario I don't have the means to make money for myself? Very saying Temberen.
The same conditions you had when I was choosing.
Yeah, but with women.
Fanami.
But I mean,
Oh, as umhlaba lo umntanako mabembula esikolo.
Go lalela. The odds of a guy making money are higher than the odds of a woman making money.
How?
So
How?
okay, we'll save this one
How?
for next episode. We'll save this one for next episode.
Umphendule.
No, how?
That's fine.
I mean it. How?
Because of how our society works. Because of
No. Do you wanna
It's-
just
it's-
say
it's
it's
very-
because of the people you keep approaching?
no. Are you saying you know more richer
Probably
women
do.
than you know richer men?
Yeah.
That is
I
impossible.
do.
That is an impossibility.
In my life,
So
Statistically, there are more richer men than there are.
ngezinye
I
indlela
cannot
man
say
Jane
that.
ngezinye indlela wena uthi umfazi lendoda kuyafanana siyavumelana
hayi akufanani. Ngeke kufane.
like uthi
Ngeke
Men have
kufane.
more money than women, period.
so
This is not to say women don't know how to make money. This goes to what I said about white people and black people.
I understand.
Women have been disadvantaged when it comes to
Yeah.
opportunities, employment and shit like that, even entrepreneurship.
Yes.
So, historically, men have been the employed ones. Men are the men.
Provided.
months.
Yeah, the providers. They go out, they get the jobs, they go to war, they become mechanics, they fix things. So because of that, I'm not saying women are incapable of making money. It doesn't take a genius to learn
To
uthenga
figure
umbhida
it
nge-60
out.
cents uthengise $1. Doesn't take a genius.
Yeah.
So just because men generally have more money than women doesn't mean women are incapable of making money. It just means society has disadvantaged women to making money. So my point was,
You
if
choose
I am
the
a
man.
guy, because I'm a guy, I would choose the hotter girl. Because as a man, I still think I have a chance at making money.
So my question is,
If I didn't have a chance at making money, I'll take the ugly girl. Moving on.
so why is it wrong when honeys choose the
Or the guy with money.
yeah?
It's not.
That's not wrong.
It's not-
Uzikhethele
it's not-
We
nje.
just asked, yeah.
Do you know
Uzikhethele.
the
So
people?
you guys, you agree?
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
no one will judge you for.
Do you know
for
who-
going
what-
for
Okay,
mali.
for
Ah,
women to
umzimba
go for the
ngowakho
niggas
ndoda.
of money.
Yes.
Umzimba
Yes.
ngowakho ndoda.
Do you know the guys who are mad at this are the guys without money? It's always the guys without money.
Inkinga isuke ibe khona mawuthi maybe ebejola lana. Abese suka hambe emjideni le mali. Lokhana kanzi.
Yeah, look at kubuhlungu la.
Ubuhlungu.
But
Anje bengimthanda.
mina for
Yeah,
someone
umthanda.
like me ade ngajoli lami lani ngiyakwanisa futhi lokumnika like idep like you made
Yes, bro.
Wanya wena.
Wena Jane nxa usujola lo membo le mali sesikwazi ukuthi sesithengele ama broadcaster lapha ku podcast. Sesizwi.
And you're in a safe space, dog. Someone with a face like yours does not deserve to be in a shitty car. Because women
Wow! Wow!
Yeah.
women generally deserve
Thank
good
you.
treatment.
Coming
So-
from you because yeah.
But manje ngama experiences abantu abaningi asebonakele phandle lapha to baba maybe ngcelo lo Davido. Umfazi baba ngamfebela kuma relationship la. Bahlala.
Yeah, and to be honest, kubuhlungu when it happens.
Like
And,
bahlala.
and the media outrage is out there. Hey,
Yeah,
ufebile.
problem ukuthi kusuke kwaba ku stage. I'm sure maybe uDavido soya bambambe cheater private ngazani baba mkhona. But karesi indlela okwenzakale ngayo it's a bit weird because everyone's
Yeah.
talking
But
about it.
bahlala. Then umbuzo wami ususithi wena ngumngani kamfazi ka Davido. Yabo wena ngumjida umchere. Uyabuye ezokhala uthi aje
Bangenze so.
endlini lapha mangichaya bangifebela benza zonke izinto ezibhedayo yabo wabuye kwakhale kuwe then wena umniki advice like angazi ukuthi ipi advice ongamnika yona
So you're saying, what advice would you give?
but mina sengikhulumela mina advice engawunika yona ukuthi aje chill like kuza kufa like baza kubulala because amanye ama situation ke lana life threatening situations ukuthi umuntu ukuchaye ngeayini awuhlekisi
Elite way.
late aqala
late wewe
ayinela to like maybe ubulela ukhayile phansi afika ifake phezulu
aqala ukufaka umqolo so yabo
so I think when vele what you're saying
then wena ubusumtshela hayi je yabonani mina lapha I think ungahlala lapha service siyemvuthwa next week so relax uphuma kuse simetro
Okay, sure.
so ubusubuyela wena ku relationship siyengila njani situation yangikhona and I feel like izinto ezenzakalayo elirelate kizo abantu abaningi ukuthi yakwazi ukuthi umuntu ku abusive relationship bamfebela bamtrapa mayekhala yebezokhala kuwe umtsheli into proper asuka buyela.
Yeah, we all know people like that though.
We've been through a lot.
Bro, abantu bakhona ngaze bethandana futhi. Ngoze ungumuntu omubi dog.
And they tried to separate us.
Baby. Yakwazi umgcini besithi wena But I think when
watsho njalo.
For me I feel like part of me being your friend is also me understanding that sometimes I might have to take the fall for you. So when I go into some
not me.
Then what is being a friend, dog?
Anyways,
your ancestors.
Lalela. When I do the cherry yakho chaya. I mean, at some point, I have to be willing to realize that I'm going to be the bad person. I'm going to be the bad person in relation to the put me shit in there. When obviously I was spoon or some charity, very people who praise it in Slogan and out.
When boning I that advise I was at into it. If you say room to do.
I was a participant for but if I say chia, in that moment, very most of the time you have to be aware of this when you give people in a relationship advice, especially advice that might be
decision.
You are now you have to be willing to come out looking as a bad person after this, because sometimes it works out and then you wait what's later, but for the most times, was about did. So before you always give advice to people, sorry.
Said it out like that.
Okay, then right, like umbuzo man ibe ukuthi uzamnika advice then abuyela. Then esebuyelile lapha second round.
Dog, as a friend I've done my part.
Wenzani?
As a friend I've done my part. I tried to look out for you. You went back 2 or 3 times. I've done my part, dog. I feel like as a friend, my mandate is just to look out for you. There is a certain line I cannot cross. Hey, we're tired of it.
He sound funny. If you are
Let's try to paper and you know what I'm saying? I can only do so much, dog.
Yeah.
As your friend, what helps me sleep at night is knowing what the angles are me, dog. However, I will look
yeah, good thing.
Abantu
abazana benqunu. Abantu abazana benqunu ke.
Don't ever try.
So sithi hayi siyamekela.
Mekele
ndabheke.
Tamekeleni hayi.
Mregere abike.
I mean, personally, I'll just do my little part because I need to sleep at night. Just knowing ukuthi dog.
But mina into ngiyicho guys. Whether lenzona noma lenzona. Suka nini ema relationship abalitrapa khona. Batracho abantu guys. Like mur, like
you know, I read that it's actually psychological. Like some people are turned on by pain. Some of those abusers when they not a Christian grade, no? Like umuntu sibili angabona partner wake in agony or something. It turns them on. In pain, you know, and stuff. It turns them on sexually. So some people
this is a rapey vibes. But
it does give rapey vibes, but it's actually there.
But what you're saying is actually there's a book I was reading recently. There's a book I was reading that was talking about most of these problems. If you feel like the solution is on the surface, it's never really the solution. It's like we told him that sounds like a surface solution, but you have to find out who because you can't just say very chiunat. Do you find out who it comes from a disadvantaged family, maybe you know what I'm saying? So like umuntu who is stuck in an abusive relationship, simply saying walk away is not the solution because the question becomes why are you stuck there? Is there some psychological problem, or is it something from
Stockholm.
childhood? Stockholm syndrome,
Yeah.
maybe PTSD, or you grew up in a very abusive household and you think this is what love
Normalized.
is.
This is okay.
Yeah, you think this is what love is.
Exactly.
Impa
And
mama ingakhali azikhali.
So when-
I
Hey.
used to ask myself, like, take for example, our neighboring country. There's so much violence. And
Yeah.
people are desensitized.
to it.
So I recently watched some series of Tong Stela and whatever, and you see how Ezininkabi are raised. Like Uzalwa, your father is teaching you how to shoot a gun, how to kill a person,
How
This
to beat
person
a
is being
woman.
menace
Yeah.
to the society.
Fuck.
So uzuye 10 at 30, belokhu bekutshela same tune.
Programmed.
every day. For them, they have this thing called bloodlust. Like mawungabulalanga umuntu, you're
Ngiyabonqantshiwe.
not a man, or you don't feel. Ngathi so makuthiwa yesifuna yeah.
I'm sorry to say, move on. Jane.
Ngizwile. I know there's a Q in the word.
Yeah.
You know, and if you haven't committed that sort of crime,
You
and
feel
for
like.
them to try and fix that,
Ngibuhoni.
the damage is too much, I think.
So that's the thing also with people in abusive relationships. Sometimes there's more to it than just
Yeah.
channel, hello.
Yeah, but uchannel aso advise esebenza.
Aso advise isebenza. Mina
Yeah.
ukuthi khathi mngani wami. Impami imnandi. Ayadlalela.
But my problem ntantu bakhona abakhulumi.
Abakhuluma.
Iko you must ask the serious
Bafisa
questions
bacha-
mngani wami.
Ubona
Unganjizwa yapha
ngeblue
khathi.
eyes, but lapha
They
kanti kuhambe
protect
njani?
the abusers.
Yeah.
Because also, it's not like they're only dealing with an abuser, they're
Mzini
dealing with
uthi
the person they actually love.
Imzini uthi 10.
Utheni?
Asibukele.
Awuyidlalela.
Ngizabuyela. But
Those are the
yeah,
questions we must ask.
yeah.
But it's I don't think it's you see the way. I think we've all been in relationships where we're clowns. I for one.
Wait, what?
Angithi ukuthi
Mina,
we
I've
were
been a clown
clowns.
before. I
Oh,
would
clown.
even-
Yeah.
I
Oh, no,
would
definitely.
even
Yeah.
Give the nigga free press on the podcast.
Oh Jane, ku podcast.
Hayi, zangathi why manje why?
Sesihlala sizwa. Mina guys, mina baby. Mina baby.
Was it a
Ngiqamba konke lebizo even kwamanye ama episode.
But la mngeke ngathutsha ku
That's
episode
fire.
eyi.
That's fire.
Yeah?
That's fire. Zakusamnandi.
Wena.
Where is
Ngeke
Zina?
ngathutsha.
Ulemonade
Where
wayithi.
is Zina?
Ngeke ngathutsha la kwenye episode lapha fresh
So
relationship.
floor.
Wena zwi. Alicini ngizwa ukukhuluma kwenye relationship. Actually, kulomuntu engifuna ukumnika shout out.
Mfwe.
Shout out to Shanice.
Oh,
Shanice,
okay.
who is
Yeah.
that?
Shanice, your mouth is moving like a rat. Yappa. Shut it, please.
Shut it, please.
Yeah, we
Fwe,
really
fwe,
got- let's see.
Mna yambhola ngoba eqeda be compliment ikhiwa.
Hey,
Ngazona.
into lena hayi, into lena.
Yeah, ngasho ngathi
ayikho
mdidi wakaswele.
Ngokumele kube nje so.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That would have worked for me.
But yeah, shout out
But
to
you know,
Shanice.
we've all
But
been in
vele
this
uCheromo
kind of-
bungabe lokho ebangumsindo. Nguyethe sijahile ngokukhuluma
Just
Damn,
Sijahile.
Asamba.
Angikhulumi la wena with your ugly ass.
Ah,
Yeah, how much
is
that's
that
it?
always the case? But I think we've all
Yeah.
been in relationships that we're so proud of and we're certain we're going to marry those people.
It's true.
Vele sonke onke ama relationship usingena.
Ikuba umdidi kuno.
Kade uzwele ngomthithi
Tshengisa ukuthi
makho.
amadlozi
That's what we say on this show.
The
Them
D
D.
show.
Dude, those kind of relationships, they teach you a lot.
Yeah.
But then, kulabanye abantu, like Mina, I remember Mgcini, there's a time he tried to tell me.
Ukuthi
when I was
ipoza.
Dilulu.
Ukuthi ipoza.
Hey, volume 10. It's boss, about 10. And ngangalalelanga, I was
Unobona njani ama signs?
Hayi.
he
Ngikhuluma.
saw the sign.
Ngikhuluma.
Signs.
Oyibona inja.
Emkotoys. But
Yeah.
yeah, when into ezincane like just
The small
little
things.
things.
It's not even something big.
Chiroko wena nxa kuyiswile yonke into grand. Level postana like posting up.
So wena
Balance.
Post off is.
Ngapha manje kujeni ngapha sasi.
Volume
Angumpost
10.
story.
Ampostori. Hopa.
Nto umpostori.
Hopa.
Hey,
baby.
Postango.
I posted the hell out of
baby.
that nigga.
Ipoza ngale ziposteli Arsenal.
Hayi pose vele hey.
Hang on, post. You know
Pose akhuluma ibizo
But
le team yakhe
but
but
yeah,
ngoba kuyasukanga nesikhuluma
Uma bela bazali.
but yeah.
Why post in relationship isaqalisa? lo bengakabi mazi vele ngakafiki la
Wayengatholi.
but anyway
But akuyatholakala guys like ama relationship lawa kuyenzakala
no,
like
it happens
yeah mina into
and it's
engitsho
hard to get out of a toxic situation
mina ngingabuya
whether yashaya kumbe bakuyenza ipopayi
yeah but
you
mina
know the more bedlala ngawe the more you
uthanda
catch
more
feelings.
thanda more
Especially futhi
Thanda more.
ungaba lo muntu le pride futhi.
yeah
I-pride yakuvumeli mfana.
but mina from today guys into enza litshela ngingabuya lapha ngikhulume ngithi ubhebhe
Sikukhuze.
limbone next week 2 weeks zwi sokunjalo vele singabuzani
Sokushaya.
and nizaphenduka futhi next week ngithi
with a brand new one
yeah shout out to Shanice
Vele mina ngivumelana lakho lina lithini ukona ukuthi kuthiwa if you're in a relationship you must date loudly.
Hayi.
Or liyafihla.
Namvindi.
Ngiyabuza. What's your opinion there?
no like into lena isharp yenza khuluma knowledge engayithola komunye ubhuti wami engimrespecta kakhulu wathi mfanami like reason why umposta lapha like awufuna ubona ukuthi leziyana ezisayidini zana zibe wazi indawo yazo
Oh, ukuthi
yabo
so
like
le main event.
mangimposta lapha kimuntu wakha like xa ngihamba laye
Ngingimisile ngibuze.
lingangibizi lingibuze seliqalisa ukungibiza ezinye izinto yabo ikumposta ukuthi limbone ukuthi hayi guys umuntu esihlala ngaye na yiclown
Mana uthi Lo nguyu Ric Flair. Lingambona ngihamba lo Ric Flair.
Ziyakhala.
But siyamqila zonke Ric Flair.
samqila zonke yabo sesingadlali
That's crazy.
eline
Bro.
sale ngali yabo wantshela njalo
But mina nami sengakubona.
ngathi advice yona leyo yiyo mina engayithatha
Or is that
but wena sungayithatha yabo
or if that's what most niggas do, but I know
Yeah.
ukuthi kulama majita apost ucherry wire so that the side businesses know ukuthi bafethu. Lo muntu in case lingibona ngihamba la angifuni umuntu ongilanda ethi so wena usangifonele. Futek. Yabona ngihamba lo Ric Flair la. You see what time it is? So when are you saying from relationship to relationship you don't date loudly? Like even ngathi ngijona
I
kade
think okunye sokuyifie bro like kari bro mina che yawena into etricky queen mina think into esuka ibe buhlungu ukuthi igimi i-loudly yona leyo khuluma ngayo kuya lapha ngitshele ku-podcast ukuthi hi guys yazi ubhebhe but isokuchile yabo
But will that stop you from enjoying the next one?
nah like I feel like yabo so like nxa ngihamba ku-process yona leyana ukuthi akasekho yabo the fact that bengibuya lapha ku-podcast
Suchokwa amajita.
ngisithi bafethu ubhebhi yabo yeah
Libe kwazi ukuthi
karasukulo brand new
so it begins.
baza kuphinda
So it begins.
Lingiphinda nto this time uke married ne
Hey. I-sound bite sesilayo. Sesirecordile.
sesirekhodiwe
Siyakwazi. 10 episodes. But I wish you all the best, my guy. Mina personally, here's my take on this.
what
Mina, I feel like vele impilo is, structure sayo. It's supposed to be. It's fleeting moments that are not supposed to last. You jump from moment to moment to moment. There's a lot of people who are depressed who think people find depression by trying to find a permanent happiness. A permanent happiness doesn't exist.
yeah
You get temporary happiness and then you jump on to the next one. It's the same thing. Okay, I'm here shooting the podcast. I'm happy. I live here. I go drink. I'm happy there. And then I leave and I go home. Whatever. There are people who are unable to find happiness because we're doing a permanent happiness.
yeah
Because of in nature empilo, uguti vele happiness comes moment after moment. Once you try to find permanent happiness, you deviate from that plan, and that's how you become a deviant. You become like a sexual deviant. Follow mdoti say masturbate in public. Yeah, no, those are sexual deviants. Because that kind of person is trying to,
bakhona kodwa
thina silabo labo amakhiwa labo. Follow uthi
ukhona omnyama engimaziyo
oh let me give
ebantwini
eblayo
oh masturbate in public.
yeah
nga asifuna ukumbona
Ngifike
nga
ngingicambi indawo yangikhona
into yini
ule sport isakha masturbate kiso. Ule sport isakha.
kathiwa sithi ngumfana ngani abafanele bodwa abamasturbatayo wena nje
ngithanda ukubaza mase
hey
yini wena njengawo ule gogo kwevaselini
Hayi.
Asicije nama
Kbrizzy.
Now my point goes to
Mm.
see someone who does his substance abuse. The problem with substance abuse is someone is trying to going a weekend, so right, Monday to Friday I need to do something serious. But people try to stretch that moment out. And if you do not accept if actually happiness comes in bits of moments, you try to elongate that shit. And that's how you end up being a deviant. So dawa.
Masturbator.
Peters meters daily.
So Peters meters. Njengomngane kaJane. So love and sitting. So love and sitting. Mengikhuluma ngani initial.
Besikhuluma ngento zokupostana like ama relationship with abe public.
Oh right.
Because yeah.
So the point becomes, I personally feel like ungabe semjolweni omnandi, ukholisa, ungaphela boza,
Uphelile.
on to the next one. It's fine. No, but see, because trying to find a permanent happiness. Lalela, kule minye buhlungu anyali, kule minye painful. But for the most part, I feel like if you left with your heart intact, your dignity intact. But if your heart is intact, uthi vele ngakholisa.
Heart? Whose heart?
But isiyahle
Lebehleka.
into melenzakala i-tradition vele of the cult.
Uthi roasted.
At some point, i-roasting izaba khona.
Which is fine.
Yeah.
It helps you get over it.
Yeah.
Kufana ukuthi nje ungathutsha ugelwa amatheza, kumbe sesigelo ngabugelwa amatheza. Amajelo kumele kuroaste, ekuroaste.
No, like primary, like a primary.
Wena uzigela amatheza.
Ansela nwele mina ngazi. Kuma amatheza.
Ukazi nomuntu omngana khona nempaba ngalo lithethe.
Exishoba.
Ngabe nsithi uphi lwana nempaba ngogqoka amanglazi so type yokuthatha le
Ukhuluma ngami?
But imagine
Anasazizwa.
baba kumgcini.
Yeah, no. Guys sazokhula guys. Yawazi? Sazoba nguna.
namgcini. Nakuphatha imali uthi nima umntana memgcini. Hayi, Kabelo. Unema umntana kuKabelo. Wena unika imali.
Kabelo
Yeah.
yazi emfenweni.
Yeah.
Akathi singafika abantu ngikhaya ngiyathi abantu abadala bakho.
Hey, yeah, ne?
Amnazawuvuma lokho.
But yeah. Into yenzakaleyo guys. Abantu bazasitshela ukuthi bacabanga ngento lezi sizikhuluma because at the end of the day siyaxoxa la bantu. Like siyaxoxa ukuthi abantu abasibukeleyo labo ba comment basitshela ukuthi le ithanda yini show. Mawuyithanda ishow, don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video, join the membership,
Comment ngoma-14 into ezinjalo.
Show your parents ngiyadlala.
and most importantly, niboke nisikhothise phela guys.
Anoke nesikhothisa. Sifake ku-description ye-video.
Nifuna ukhothani?
Anoke nisikhothise le
Ikhothama.
Ama-girls ukuthi
ice cream.
Ikhothama.
Ice cream.
Niboke nisikhothise guys.
Ice cream.
Asigezekanga kathi.
But isigezekile. So the previous episode interview kaTawanda kwaba le debate eyenzakala ku WhatsApp group yama members we podcast. Ukuthi uTawanda wathi umuntu ongumfazi like ungamchayi, ungambiseli, no kung fu panda shit, yabo? Like lami ngaze ngagcizelela ngathi uthi pha la yamnika lesi akuthi pha kuhle kube iswi, yabo? Then amadoda sebuya ngenye engele different. Ngikuza usithi uyi feminist Jane.
Ngithe angiso.
Then passive feminist.
Like uthi also extreme but we feminist, yabo? But so ama beliefs asekhona karesi or isociety ethi umfazi le ndoda ngiyalingana 50-50.
Oh nyentikana kathi.
Oh anti yikho esizama like ukuthi kube achieved, yebo? Uma sesithi ma uthi sesifanana uJane lo Kabelo soku equal. uJane ngashaya uKabelo ngempama. Kbrizzy la yena.
Man enough
Wapha.
to receive it back. Okay, I've always believed ungashaya indoda empama maye kubisela la uba indoda enough.
What the fuck?
Back. But then also like on the other side, you know women are believed to be soft. Angazi laba abangani bagwanyile, but then
I'm a tough guy.
women are believed to be soft. Like if you find yourself tussling and I don't know, like usulwisana lo muntu oyintombazana, umntwana amabethe lezibunu. Wena izibunu zakho zigwanyile and uleziqwanga
Esigabani.
and ubusy.
Uzobamba ezikamgcini. Mgcini zakho zigwanyile.
Indoda elezibunu.
You're going ham on a woman.
Indoda
It just
elezibunu.
looks wrong.
Ajini ugqoka isudu lezibunu.
Because mina nginja ngwanisa ukujinja ibhalbu.
I understand what you're saying.
Angikwazi ukufunda imoto futhi.
Ugqoka isudu lezibunu. Into lana angel lana isite.
Only flame. Achiko yasukuma.
Kulento leyana ejayele ukuthi like
Only event lo ke. So nuthini unqiko la. Ayidlalela guys. Lani. It's just a joke. Imani. It's just a joke.
Uzabukela ku-episode.
It's just a joke.
No man, it's just a
Imani,
jokes.
Imani.
It's just a jokes.
Mhm.
Man, just a jokes.
In the way, we gave examples. For example, like in the examples where, okay, fine, as a man, you cannot put your hands on a woman.
Mhm.
But we're agreeing, Guti, maybe there can be extreme cases where utole chawonyo, ekatunyo gitundulu. Watu amna ngiu mama's boy kwenye example yana. Ora tinganike nye example.
But omunye umuntu wasekhomedi wathi
mina knowing umasalo wami awungeke umjinde ngempama.
Okay.
Mm.
Even another example, Guti, when you're a single dad, you have a daughter, then you start dating a new woman. Also, when you're 7 days, you start upon me with some kids and makwekwe. Pendingly, utole ubaby girl ushamtana kwenye ntambi kids. Menzela manga amawaza.
Uthi uyabamba la bekushaya.
Uthi abamba bekushaya.
This question is for guys.
Oh, it's for all of us.
ukuthi ku-situation enjalo liyabiselana.
If you hit like a man, you
must be ready to take it like a man.
Mina, do you know, I feel like from just a certain standpoint, do you know hitting someone is communicating through violence? You are basically trying to say, I've been trying to express my standpoint to you, and so I'm going to further beyond vocal and go to physical, because I feel like you can understand. So I feel like once you put your hands on someone, you understand the message that violence sends, so you can also receive violence as a message. I just think ungazibona uchawa umuntu pero kuchawa umuntu you're sending a message. Am I lying? Umchayelo ama vibes. You want to prove to someone ungidelelile or I don't like this, so you understand violence as a medium to send a message. So when you end up receiving a message through violence, don't act surprised. Also, but you understand ukuthi uchawa umuntu sends a message.
When I vele as a girl, the first thing you do, you don't think of giving them your other cheek. You want to give them back. You want to slap them harder than a step parent. So why do you? No, the thing is, or maybe it's because I have brothers and uncles and stuff. So whenever these topics are raised, I always think, okay, if my brother was to be slapped by a chick, and there's no woman who has the right to slap a guy, no matter how soft we are. And also, I know guys, I'm not trying to be a pick-me or whatever. I hate guys with my heart. But then, you guys, you already deal with the I know the society puts more pressure on niggas, honestly. You're supposed to have a job, a cute car, an apartment.
Muscles.
And also, you deal with rejection. You guys are vunywa by every girl that you want. You're forever hunting.
Hey.
So you don't get every job you want.
When I'm nzenza mashout out every week la. Lithi kuhle.
On top of that, then when is the partner, where you're supposed to be his partner, but you are being a headache.
So we're the king as well.
Stress, maybe bamtshela ikaka emsebenzini yabo. Oh, lapha kade gereza khona. Oh, enumgcini bemtshela ukuthi hayi namhla sifuna.
Hey, ngapha.
Asifuni whatever ufunayo.
Namhla sifuni.
Ngapha kunzima.
Ngene kuma specific, but then I think as girls, guys are. I don't mean to say hard. Oh my god.
Oh.
Okay, wait. Guys are brought into a tough world. They are meant to be hardened.
Yeah,
Let me
hardened.
put it
Yeah,
there.
harder than
Supposed to
women.
be tough, macho, you know.
Because of the
Ooh.
dynamic anyway.
So as a girl, you bring that soft side. You balance.
Oh, tulisungotsha impama.
Kodwa usumshaya ngempama. Uvela uzondile umhlaba umcaphulile. 365 days. Kule women, I bet some people don't even know ukuthi this is Men's Mental Health Month.
Oh.
Ulani linje likwazi khona.
I didn't know.
Yini abanikazi la Mondays. You don't even know. It's Men's Mental Health.
You're okay.
Month
You're okay. You are
and-
appreciated.
Appreciated.
Number.
Yeah, phela abantu
But guys,
bahlala
we
bethi
get
siyabambana la
ignored
Kbrizzy.
so much. And so when a girl slaps a guy, it's fine. For example, Shade Room posted a video of, do you know JT and Lil Uzi?
I saw that shit at
Yeah,
the BETs.
She threw a phone. Yazi ukuthi ifone yake yangiwela. My own phone.
Yangiwela.
Ngibambile so ebusuku. Phezu kwami yangiwela. It
I'm
was
trying your
painful.
phone put us.
Ifone
She
enjani?
threw
Kuyomele
a
ucace ukuthi we. Oh, masikhuluma ngamafoni sikhuluma ngamafoni. Okay, yeah.
Umuntu
amafoni.
asebenzisa iphone la.
Eh?
Kulo muntu angasebenzisa iphone la. Let's clap for
Ngoba
ourselves.
ke khola.
Let's clap for ourselves, guys.
Why would you even ask
It's a successful
that?
podcast, yeah.
And she
Bagcina
threw a
bengasiniki
phone
imali.
at him. I don't know why they were fighting, but everyone was saying.
Apparently he
because was
greeted
talking
Ice
to Ice
Spice.
Spice or whatever. Everyone was supporting JT. But if it was him who had thrown the
Oh,
phone.
no, it's going to be
So
different.
you see, you guys, you suppress a lot of shit.
Society they messed up it.
Yeah, it is.
Take long.
Mina, I will say I agree with what she's saying, but because social matters are never actually absolute, it's never black and white.
Yeah.
I am happy with the idea, with the examples that you're giving of. A guy also understands his place because we cannot write off there are actually fucking animals out there who just beat women for anything.
Yeah,
Unga-answer phone uphume phandle, so cutting pump.
Izinja.
So her saying what she's saying, her saying what she's saying is not saying every man is. No. There are actually abusive men who abuse. Kungela la, you know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
that's sad.
But in Alaba, we're addressing situations where mama ngoyosecha impama kuqala. Andithi
Or
ka-
maybe,
kanti uhlekani kahle?
or maybe, you know, there are some girls who can look you in the eye and say, "Wona njengomama wakho ngakhiziyo." Yabo?
But none of this is to say akula madoda angama anas. Kula madoda cheka fucked up who just beat girls. And labana I see want to school manga.
Hey,
Did you see that video I sent in the group?
ngiyikhoka.
Ubona video then?
Ngi-
Ubona video then send the group in. That girl got to tell you mama na ngempama.
Yeah, bro.
I said this your mother, right?
And there's that guy who got arrested, but his charges got dropped. Fortunately, his mom was getting punched.
Then you know said dubululo kwezini.
Yeah, he shot the guy.
Yeah, no.
Wafa sibili.
Na lapha futhi ngaba lo mnyama ukuthi nguchaya inqindi e1 onokha inqindi e1 might not be enough. Ngiyafuna isi 8 or 9. Ngiyazisola mntu ngichaya kakhulu.
Babadise ngamabhule.
There's also that guy, man.
Nkabi.
What's the story with that guy that's been trending?
Stella.
Which one?
Lwana udubulo omunye lwana emoteni lwana.
Abe JMPT.
It's like a metro cop
Oh,
and what
this
else?
is
Abe
his
Bram.
kid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep any guys.
I think I don't know.
I think
Actually.
You try.
say because I'm a video class.
Yes, yafika emoteni.
Yes.
And I think Luano Matubula at some point maybe was like, stop being aggressive, I'll shoot you. So Luano was like, keep up. But then it's like, keep
That
up.
guy really showed up with him.
Yeah, he was walking around with the gun.
Yeah,
He
he
was
was like,
walking
let's
around
play.
with his
Let's
gun.
play. And we look at Klupa, there was
And
someone,
he was a cop, hey?
there was someone, he kept on slapping.
Lwana what did they check the
What?
green?
Hey, I had to look at Zamuti.
Nambukile one video and this is gonna mess up my day on channel like that.
Yeah, so they popped him.
And that guy just shot straight to the chest, dog.
Supposed to
On
titties.
5, bro.
Ah, fuck you, man, five.
Maybe
Just straight to the chest.
like bullet any Chinese for me.
Aye, guys.
That gun was a
I'm
molester,
thinking
bro.
But it was 6 shots, dog.
It was 6, yeah.
That guy didn't even have a
Really?
chance to raise his weapon, dog. Quiet. And that's what I've
No,
always.
but do you think it was self-defense? Because that's the debate that was on.
Yeah,
I
that's
think
a
it
crazy.
was because if someone takes out a gun, they don't have to point it at you. But you shouldn't wait for the other nigga
That
to
guy,
shoot.
that guy followed them from across the street. Was wife again what then? Eloke
I
bahle.
think it
Mlandi.
was- I
Carrying
don't
the
know
gun.
what it was.
6 shots, is it what he...
Wait, you know what? You
Aye,
do
what's
know
the
you can
problem?
shoot a person once.
Yeah, once or
and if they're
twice.
still, aye, once is enough. If they're still conscious enough to shoot back, they still can.
Inkinga le
Plus-
bukela ama
plus
movie
man-
la-
man-
Inkinga le bukela Steve isikali, but
la ama
lalela-
movie bakushaka 5 uyibona
Mina bake
isumo.
want different gun. Different gun. But then,
Man,
I'm
utheni?
saying
Utheni?
nothing.
Hey,
Uthe bamdubule aki.
No.
I was saying, eminye impopo ngama rapid fire, guys. Eminye impopo ngama rapid fire. You don't have to pull the trigger 6 times.
Was that a rapid fire? Because I feel like he was going quack, quack, quack.
That's what that guy was saying. Go
I
voice
think-
note. Like, I don't even know if it's real or
And
it's
that-
fake.
that
But he was
other
saying
nigga was
I was carrying a
covering.
lethal weapon. So if it's lethal like that, it can rapid fire.
No,
Like
but
once
then
pull it
if
twice
you're-
and then.
He did go.
No, but then I feel like umfana lwana kade mile lo kade egqoka ijacket lamapatapata. I feel like he covered a lot of things we could have. I think that guy, he probably pointed the
Oh, but
gun
there was a lot
at
of
the one
views.
okade hlezi
Yeah,
phansi.
ngani bekulama angles
Kulama angle
amaningi.
amaningi.
But
Una-
the angle leyana from ngangala sibona.
Routine was it from ngangale? From ngangengeta.
From nganganga.
No, like the from if you got
There is one from like the top where you. Oh, okay, from the one of Philly. Hey, what I was saying.
Into lana,
Because
into
no,
chona
I don't
sikhulu.
think he shot for nothing because that guy whipped out his gun.
But because the idea becomes what you must respond with, is it adequate or equivalent force or something like that? Because if kufanele ukuthi umuntu engakulanda efuna ukulwa ngenqindi wona usumchanga esibhamu, that doesn't feel like.
That's
Yeah.
unacceptable.
Equivalent
But
force.
But
that guy-
But that guy had a
That
gun, yeah.
That guy ngendlela vele adi loud ngayo lo man's face like he was.
And we petty isbhamu.
Yeah, I was definitely.
But
going
also,
there. Yeah, but definitely.
because most people's question was 6 shots seems a bit excessive, maybe 2.
Yeah.
And also the rules when you have a gun.
Even la lapha mdubule
have
khona
one.
ku chest.
Yeah, okay.
If
Does
you
any
take it
does any
out-
one of us own a gun here?
All of you guys.
This is
except me.
incriminating shit, bro.
But-
Relax.
Ipimpo.
If you
Because
take
well,
it out, you
anyone
should
would have
be-
answered out of no, you
If
you
take it
don't know what
out,
you're talking
you
about.
should be ready to use it.
Ipimpo.
One side.
Yeah, don't take out a gun if you're not going to use it because
Yeah,
you don't know.
why are you
Especially
taking it
ngalapha
out?
bakhona egoli. Maybe lapha eZimbabwe, you know, people don't
Or
have guns. You can
actually,
flex
to
your
be
gun.
safe,
They do, but
yeah, but
ngale it's
the
crazy.
best place to pull out a gun is in your private premises. To be honest, if
Yeah.
someone breaks
Mina-
into your house
mina-
and
mina-
I pull out a
mina
gun, I
been
can
in
shoot you 6
such
times.
a
It's fine.
predicament. But we'll
Won't
discuss
ever
it another-
kudubula wena.
Abangidubulanga,
Bakudubulanga.
Ah kulento
But-
kukhuluma ukungcola.
Oh, uthe wadubuka ikondom utheni?
Hayi.
Okay, bro.
Speaking of
But
i-
enye into mina i-takeaway yami entweni lana ukuthi guys bathanda ukuba macho kakhulu especially at groove. La nto bathanda ukuhamba besiye groove besenza umsindo. It's quite unfortunate
Khulumela
ukuthi
phezulu.
leyana iyenzakale yeah,
On
yeah,
camera,
yeah.
yeah.
On camera,
I
yeah.
do not want to find myself with a guy who likes to start shit like.
Oh, likes being macho.
Wala usukile bengakushaya.
Speaking of ubugwala yazi uJane is mtiti womuntu. Bro,
Uzonhlekisa nje lema.
ngidlula koJane ngesandi ngithi ngiyambona sharp. Uyakwazi ukuthi ngibo komakhelwane kulezi nje ezi4 ezinganani
Oh
bro.
my god.
Nguye futhi lokho eziqala.
Eqala izinja.
Izinja lezena ngazi ukuthi imbani wazivulelayo bro.
Mina izinja.
Izinja lezena seziphandle. Ubhuti wakhe sesithi ngohle ungene emoteni.
Izinja lezi.
Izinja lezani vela zizwisise. Nangu Jane. Angena emoteni qeda vala umnyango. What? Ngisasephandle bro. Ngisasephandle. Wes into etricky phela ngiyakwazi phela nguJane lo. Ngingenza anything funny la into le ilize ezoku podcast for the next 20 episodes. Yimi lo avele ngizwe.
Cool guy.
Ngirelaxele.
Trying to act cool, dude.
Ngizirelaxele.
That time izinja sezibuye.
Ngiyazivulela umnyango. Nicely.
Why are you walking
Ngingenile
so slow?
emoteni.
But phakathi.
But deep down.
Phakathi.
Ngasithi inkosi yami.
Hayi izinja futhi
Ah, dude, mina lami ngahlangana le pitbull in a country where footage doesn't exist.
Nabibi.
Apho nguzimela. I just
because izinja azifuni umuntu opaparika ungapaparika la uyajabula.
Phela futhi aka apply eAmerica.
Vele outside Africa.
Ngale funa bitch ass. Uthi bitch ass nigga.
Bitches, nigga.
Ngale bitch ass nigga.
But speaking of South Africa, phela ku podcast leke yami lesikhuluma ngento ezi serious. Ama producers esho athi thina sikhulumi into ababezibhalile sibe sizokhuluma
Minyoso.
so Pretoria High Court has ruled against Home Affairs Minister Aaron Motsoaledi on arresting and deporting people who don't have valid Zimbabwean exemption permits. Home Affairs Minister Aaron Motsoaledi's decision to terminate the Zimbabwean exemption permit, which would affect more than 178 people. I don't think 178,000 people. I don't think Zimbabwean as a SA 178,000. I think see 2 million.
Utesi.
See 2 million.
What you buy?
Oh fuck. Buy 2 million. I know Kulumelis Lobozan.
Okay.
See, because we are one.
That number has been speculated to be 2 million plus. But Abama
payment. So that action.
ZEP.
Yeah. So that action has been declared invalid and unlawful and unconstitutional by a full bench of Gauteng High Court in Pretoria.
Bakambo ochacha debekona.
Ochacha debekona akula moyo phakathi. Tshela ukuthi engumoya ithi asindawo.
Nanga majaji athi amaZimbabweans mina ehlala eGoli. Thakule Colin Collis. Kulogcina Malindi. Lo mandla enkosi imota. Liyamaza umota.
Kabe lo moto.
Manje mega cabs la.
Ethi amaZimbabwe erati la.
Laba abayindawo laba. Yeah, but I need to very from last year until June this year.
Yeah.
So,
Ba extend to December.
Or extend delay.
Yeah.
So I think they've been given a 1 year extension or whatever. But laba permit law specific that were given out under administration Zuma or something. So laba ngaba 2007 or 2008. It's not like everyone was in SA. That's why obviously you'll say 178,000 sounds. Because I think at first maybe 200 or 300,000. We're assuming Tabanye Sebafa. Because I'm about Kwazana anyway. So in the last 15-20 years, Abanye Ben Sebafa. But Abasalayo, I think they are at that number. And here's the thing. The whole debate was about when ZEP.
Yeah.
So it's not everyone because student pay me. The entire argument was upon or something, and apparently they're allowed to stay. It doesn't mean no one give a fit.
It means something.
I seen down.
It doesn't mean no one give.
I seen down.
Kutwa labana aba 178,000 abalama permit lawana abanga cross check Home Affairs.
Abangala amaphepha.
Lina abanye lidayisa small streets uyanendlini. Lina lokho belifuna. But that's
But I know like enye into esasikhuluma ngayo bro ukuthi South African millers buze ukuthi why umuntu engadecide ukuthi ahlale kuma conditions kanjalo. Country nenjalo ukuthi abakuthandi abakufuni
vele imali yohola yamanga ayimangalisi
bafuna ukubulala.
You have to cross a river to get there. You have to ask yourself how bad is the situation where this person is coming from. But singakhulumi njalo futhi lezi sihlezi lapha sikhuluma so because you're the last person to speak.
Fuck off one.
There's this TikToker who said, "Hey, do you remember back in primary school when white teachers were saying South Africa is going to the gutter just like Zimbabwe, and we took it as a joke, but right now it's something real Harare." Real Harare in South Africa.
Yeah, no, but do you know what's crazy?
I'm going to make a video now. This is like it.
Most Zimbabweans in South Africa are actually not living the life people think they're living. I was still down about pillar with tape on who fucked up dog. And then you have to ask yourself if someone has to, because most of them were actually
when
out
you
there.
move out of the country, the way Zimbabweans automatically think, "Usanda kufika uze it's too many mad." I just want everyone to get a taste of.
But I know, I think kule episode yomele sibele angazi ukuthi ngakhuluma ngakho into kulo muntu ansuggestelayo ukuthi mele sibele episode leyo ukuthi sting umuntu ohlala maybe UK ohlale in Poland, ohlale South
Germany.
Those
Africa.
countries that people
Yeah,
relocate to.
abantu abafuna ukuhamba kiwo yabo. Like babe
Usitshele
basitshele
what
like
the real life is like.
yeah.
But la ngabe umuntu ofact abo bias usifika ukuthi amadoda angala feba ngoba noba kufebele uyiwathi.
Yeah, hayi into ezi
Yeah,
asifuni
sifuna
into
Sonke
ezi
dog, no
sifuni
Beyonce.
sifuni into ezi
Hey, no Beyonce, bro.
sifuni izinto
Who are you, the
eziyakha.
Air Force, like 25 years?
Sifuna izinto ezigeneral.
Sifuni into ezi
Ayikho
so
into
nxa uzazi ukuthi maybe uhlala eGermany
Yeah.
ufuna ukubuya uzositshela ngama experiences wakho eGermany
Nanzani idingelo sisibe German.
Oh, so now we're opening up.
Yeah.
Yes.
Even the essay essay ikhona engikwazi ukuthi
Siveta ngama nudes. Yazidalela.
hayi
Imani.
Kumele sibe balanced.
It's jokes.
sidingile America. Yeah, because I feel like
Actually, if you're someone out there who's actually lived in a crazy country that no one would suspect, like Nangahlale Venezuela.
ungahlala
Ahlale
eCyprus
Uthenga
Oman.
Wona uthenga
Uraf ngithi Oman,
Oman,
like I'm just
le
repeating what he said.
ikhuluma
ngente Venezuela.
Mina benthe Cyprus.
Cyprus baningi dog.
Cyprus.
Baningi. Asibaboni futhi begraduate ngiyadlala.
Oh,
Cyprus. Bahamba vele ngayipoint Cyprus.
Ngiyadlala.
maybe.
Boys, at least bale mali.
Because every time, as good podcast le, topic every now and then there's a topic that gets brought up, and like it's either one of you. Uyabulo umuntu omazi personal omazi.
Mina vele
Uyathulela, uyabona. I know this thing.
No, but I feel like lama topic vele sikhuluma ngawo la ukhona umuntu amnangayo.
Ukhona umuntu amnankayo, but every now and then lonke nyanga ngibona ukuthi le ngcina kumuntu wakho because khali yathula libona
Bro.
lapho sinanka umuntu kamgcini ngoba lami every now and then le nanka abanye abantu bami bonke hayi life injalo
Awukwanti okubuhlungu.
Ekubuhlungu mfana.
njengafuna ufika endlini ntethiza ukuthi akade usithi ngabantu
Level sithethiza.
abantu abadlibile
Vele
ebile
ubona ukuthi it hit home.
But I know guys, this has been a good episode. Yeah, ngiyancanya nginimele nonke majenti. Ngiyancanya. Nginimele nonke majenti ngiyancanya like yeah. Siyabonga kakhulu guys. Angazi mina yike mfuna ukukhuluma like shout out.
Section blind.
futhi shout out to ubani futhi
Shout out to Shanice.
Shoot.
Shout out to Shanice. Jay, any closing remarks?
I just think I jolly 1-1.
Yeah.
Just have extra people on the side.
I genuinely problem. What is the issue with it?
Guys, I need a therapist actually.
Cabello,
Fine.
Ralph,
Shut up.
Danko.
Danko.
Danko is thank you.
Jango is thank you Buffy too.
Bye bye. Danko is thank you buffet too.
Yeah.
Yolana ethi pu 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 pu.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can call me we play. But are you ready?